Hello friends, welcome back to Marquee Soaps. Today I am doing my second attempt at a Lollipop Swirl. It is the first time that you will see it because the first time that I made this, someone forgot to record the cutting of the soap. And if you don't see the cut of the soap, it's kind of pointless showing you the making of it, I've decided. So I have this ginormous bucket of oils and additives. And the reason the bucket is so big without there being that many oils in it is because all of my other buckets have my first batch of Harry Potter soap oil in there that I have not made yet. Let's get this mixed up. Adding in my lye water, and I'm going to add in my fragrance. The fragrance is Emerald Agave from Brambleberry. This is my absolute all-time favorite, best scent in the world. I love it. And it slows everything down tremendously. So it should work out great for this Lollipop Swirl. So let's give this a blend and then I'll split it into my 3 colors. The first color that we have is Iris Purple by Nurture Soap. Cheshire Cat by Nurture Soap. Galaxy Violet Mica by Brambleberry. This Galaxy Mica is the strangest color. It's like a blue and a purple combined, and yet they're also separate. It is so strange, but it's gorgeous. So now I'm just going to go through and scrape the bottom of my containers to make sure all that mica is mixed in. All right, let's get our column mold. Okay, so we are just going to do one color at a time. We are going to twist this as we go. I do not have it on anything on my countertop. It's just going to sit on the bottom here. And what way should we go? Let's do, these make me so nervous, but you just gotta go. So I think we'll count to 5. And then what we do is we turn it a little bit and then do our next color and count to 5 again. And turn it. And I'm just going to speed you through the rest of it because it's going to take me a while to get this done. Welcome back, friends. So we are here to unmold and cut our Lollipop soap, and I just am noticing this is we didn't add any white to this. So I'm looking at the container of the Galaxy Violet Mica, and it says right on here, not recommended for cold process soap. So I guess it's a good thing that this is just a practice batch and not for sale. I don't know why I have that if you were not supposed to use it for soap. I guess I never read that, so that's interesting. I don't understand, but I made this last night, maybe 18 hours ago-ish. I made it at 5 p.m. last night, and it is about 10 a.m. the next day, so I have high hopes that this turned out. I hope. It's pretty. Let's grab our cutter. All right, so I don't know, I don't think the mica will hurt anything being used in cold process soap, but we'll definitely have to check. Oh, we got a little swirl going on. So this was the top. So towards the top, I started adding more color like each time, instead of just doing at the beginning, I counted to 5 and then switched the color up. When we got to the top, I probably counted to 10 and then switched the color, so that worked a little bit better. These are so pretty. So the reason I wanted to practice making this is because in June, so I already have my soaps lined up. April are the succulents, May is Harry Potter, and for June I want to do like a just like a fun, maybe like a, not necessarily carnival, but like candy carnival, bright colors, just a fun month of bright colored soap. And I think something like this would be gorgeous for a center, like the inside. Still do a bar soap, maybe do like a black soap around it, or I don't know, something. But I have a bunch of in-bed molds, like I have gummy bears, and we have smiley faces and macaroons that I've never used, and I would like to use them someday. So that will be in June. So thank you everyone so much for watching. And if you have that Galaxy Violet Mica from Brambleberry, don't use it in cold process soap because the color is gone. It's just the regular natural color of the soap. This fragrance does discolor to a purple, so maybe it'll go back. We'll just have to wait and see. But we'll see you next time, guys. And thank you so much for joining me on our 30 videos in 30 days. This is the final video. My normal schedule for uploading videos, I do upload them 2 times a week. So we'll probably go back to that. I might try to do 3 a week. We'll just have to wait and see. We'll see you soon. Bye.